To make these notes, you're going to want to start off by writing the title up in the sky of your page. And the title is Checking Temperature. You're going to want to try to write neatly, so take your time. Underline that. Now you're going to want to write the word hot. So skip a line and over here to the left, write hot in all caps. Hot. That's just the first thing we're going to do. What we're going to do now is to draw our thermometer. I really want you to take your time with this and do the best that you can. At the top of the line, where we have the word hot, we're going to move a little bit to our right. And right in the middle of the page, we're going to make a line across that is about a little over 2 fingers wide. So for you, it's about 2 fingers wide right there. And then you're going to draw a line that goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines. See how it goes straight up and down there? And I'm going to draw a matching line on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rectangle. I can draw across now. At the bottom of this, I'm going to draw kind of a circle shape. That's the bottom of the thermometer. And a long shape like this. Remember what a thermometer looks like. It has the little bulb at the bottom. And then the long skinny part. Now, I'm going to write, let's see, I've got up here at the top line, I'm going to make a line and I'm going to write 100. On the next line, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. It's not exactly like it was on the anchor chart in the picture, but that's okay. I'm going to write a little F up here. Now, I'm going to take a colored, I'm using pens, but you would probably want to use colored pencils or maybe crayons. And this is one thing where I am going to want to add some color. So I'm just going to color this in. I'm going up to show 80 degrees. Now, you'll notice this is Fahrenheit. I'm not going to do the Celsius right now because that's just not what I'm focusing on at the moment. Now I'm ready to start writing the rest of the notes around the top part. At the top, near here, I have hot. Down here, I'm going to write cold, also in all caps. I'm going to draw a line that shows an arrow going up shows it gets hotter. An arrow going down shows it gets colder. I'm going to label this as a thermometer. I'm going to point a little arrow to where the mercury went up to. I'm going to write 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to write it out too. 80 degrees. Look at this crazy word. Fahrenheit. It's a hard word. Now, this is the top part of my notes. I'm going to draw a line down here. You see I've skipped a line. And now I'm ready to do the rest. And this should be easier for you to just copy. I'm making a crisscross. I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines on the top part, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't have to be exact, but do have about 6 lines on top and about 6 on the bottom or more. You're going to write 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cold. 70 degrees Fahrenheit is warm. 90 degrees Fahrenheit, what is that going to be? Hot. And 50 degrees Fahrenheit is cool. Now we know cold and hot are opposites. Warm is like a more moderate form of hot. Cool is a more moderate form of cold. And then you can draw pictures in like it shows on the picture of the anchor chart.